Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a fresh file so your work is organized. Open Word and pick blank document or a template that fits your goal. Once open, set page size, orientation, and margins in the Layout tab so formatting behaves predictably. This prevents later reflow. Make sure to save immediately via File Save As, pick a clear name and location, and use auto-save or versioned file names so you don't lose progress as you work. Now you move into editing. Use the Home tab to change font, size, alignment, and apply bold or italics for emphasis. Small adjustments affect readability. Next, apply built-in styles for headings so Word can auto-build a navigation pane and produce a consistent table of contents later. Then insert images or tables from Insert and use wrap text and layout options to position visuals without breaking paragraphs. This keeps the document structured and easy to tweak as content grows. Finish by checking clarity and accuracy. Use review tools for spelling, grammar, and track changes if collaborating. Accept or reject edits before finalizing. Once done, export or save as PDF when you need a fixed layout for sharing. This avoids font and layout shifts. If formatting goes wrong, make sure to clear direct formatting or paste content as plain text, then reapply styles. Resetting the normal style or copying into a new document often fixes stubborn layout issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.